My name is John. I'm here to teach you mathematics. The topic is linear equation. Okay. Now, linear equation is all about you looking for one unknown. You might be given a question and you'll be asked to look for x or y, probably a or b or so. And we know what is variables and we know what are coefficients. For example, if you have 2a, a is called the variable, while 2 is called the coefficient. Now, every number that is attached to every alphabet is called the coefficient, and every alphabet is called the variable. Now, how is a linear equation, or how do we see it like? Now, if you have 2x plus 5 is equal to, let's say, 10, then I ask you to find x. Now, listen, in linear equation, you just need to balance equation or try to know your left-hand side and the right-hand side. Balancing of equation simply means my left-hand side must be the same, or anything I do to the left-hand side, I must do it to the right-hand side. What am I saying? If I have this kind of equation and I want to look for x, I'll simply eliminate positive 5. How can I eliminate positive 5? Is to subtract 5 from both sides. Now look up. I have 2x plus 5. The only thing I can do to positive 5 to eliminate it is to subtract 5. So I'll have negative 5. And I told you that in balancing or in linear equation, you must balance the equation. You must balance the equation. Since I'm subtracting minus 5 from the left-hand side, because this is my left-hand side, I must subtract negative 5 from the right-hand side. So with this now, my equation is balanced. Because what I did there, I had to do it in this place. So positive 5 minus 5 is 0. I will have 2x is equal to 10 minus 5. And I have 2x is equal to 5. Then how can I get x? I will simply divide both sides. Simply divide both sides by the coefficient of x. Remember I explained what is a coefficient. Now the coefficient of x here is 2. So I will have 2x all over 2 is equal to 5 all over 2. So 2 we cancel with 2, it will give you 1. So I have x is equal to 5 over 2. How do you know that your answer is correct? There's what we call checking in any equation that you're solving. There's what we call checking to ensure that your answer is correct. Now, we have 2x plus 5 is equal to 10. When I substitute the value of x and the result is 10, then my answer is correct. So I have 2. Remember, x is what? 5 over 2. I have 5 over 2 plus 5. 2 times 5 is what? Is 10 all over 2 plus 5. 2 can go into itself is 1. 2 can go into 10. I have 5. 5 plus 5 is going to give me 10. So our answer is correct. So let me solve another example. What if you have 2y plus 10 minus 4y is equal to 30 plus 2y plus, let's say, 8y, and you are asked to find y. What do? You simply collect like terms. It looks cumbersome, but it's very easy to solve. The first thing you do is to collect like terms. I have 2y minus 4y. Now look up. I have positive 2y. Crossing this equality sign, it will be negative 2y. I have positive 8y. Crossing over it to be negative 8y, which is equal to 30. Now I have positive 10. Going to this other side, I'll have minus 10. You follow the same procedure we did there. I just don't want to prolong the calculation, because if I want to eliminate 10, I will need to subtract 10 from here. If I want to eliminate positive 2y, I will need to subtract 2y. So I have 2y minus 4y is going to give me minus 2y minus 2y minus 8y, which is equal to 30 minus 10 is what? Is 20. Then minus 2y minus 2y is going to give me minus 4y minus 8y is equal to 20. Then minus 4y minus 8y is going to give me minus 12y is equal to 20. I can simply divide both sides by minus 12. So I have minus 12y all over minus 12 is equal to 20 all over. Now listen, in the mathematics it is wrong to write negative sign at the denominator. So I will simply push it to the numerator. It will be minus 20 all over 12. 2 can go into 20, it will be 10. 2 can go into 12, it will be 6. 2 can go into 10 again, it will be 5. And 2 can go into 6, it will be 3. So my y is equal to minus 5 over 3. So you can solve any questions on linear equation. It's very easy. The only thing you need to do is to make what you're looking for the solid of the formula. And I would like you to try this at home. I would like you to try these questions at home. Number 1, if we have 5x plus 30 is equal to 40, find x. And the second one is 5, or let's say 10 over 2x plus 40 is equal to 100. Still find x. I will ensure I send other questions or assignment that we need to do in your Google platform. Thank you.